John's gonna swim?
Can we just
Okay, you guys ready?
Give us something to go after?
No.
James, give me your thoughts right now.
I know you're videotaping.
Are the two big girls gonna swim?
Oh, everybody.
Everyone's swimming.
Yeah, even my dad.
Even
Oh,
Jess.
yeah.
I gotta bring my bathing suit.
My baby's my baby's like, I was
Ready to
makeup
stand
on.
up there?
One time my dad jumped off the dock
Should I
and he
stand
didn't know he was gonna do it.
It
He
looks
just
so
jumped off.
cold.
Wait, does Dad have his camera? Oh yeah.
Okay, who's gonna
3,
stand
2, 1.
All right, Chloe.
Get in now! It's so cold.
Somebody's gotta help Chloe. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. She's like.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
You have a wetsuit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Get me out! Get me out!
Get you out. You got to girl got a wetsuit out. It's a lot of swim.
Okay, I'll stop videotaping. Man, what did you think? Start a videotape.
How was it?
Oh, yeah.